Parasites are generally more host-specific than predators. That is why they are often overlooked except for the larger, brightly colored species. However, their effect on a pest population can be significant. Whereas predators require several preys to complete their development, parasites typically require only one. Parasites lay their eggs either in groups or singly on, in, or near a host. When a parasite egg hatches and the immature parasite develops, the host usually stops feeding and soon dies. Many species of parasites attack a single pest species. For example, we have collected 18 species of parasites from leaf folders. Parasites may attack the host's eggs, larvae, nymphs, pupae, or adults. In most cases, they become more effective as host abundance increases. Unlike predators, parasites can find their hosts even when low host densities. There have been attempts to introduce parasites from one country to another. In rice, however, most attempts have been unsuccessful because there is already a vibrant community of parasites that help to keep pest populations at economically insignificant levels. Mass rearing parasites for release to rice fields is helpful in certain situations but is typically very expensive and requires organization. Parasites should be spared by using insecticides judiciously.